Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3. This is the third generation Ford Focus from year 2012 to 2019 guys, and we'll show if you need to remove your windshield washer reservoir or the pumps for the windshield washer system guys. Let's say you have pump guys for the front and the rear window. If you have a hatchback, if you have just a sedan, you have the pump for the front windshield washer system. But if you need to remove the pumps or the reservoir, that's what we'll be covering today guys. Quick introduction: we'll have more than 200 videos on Ford Focus guys, and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you want to save even guys more money, check out the link in the description of the video below and see where you can buy parts and tools guys for a super good price, fast shipping. You can find a new washer reservoir, new pump, everything for your car for a really good price as well. So let's start on it now. So now you guys have two possibilities, to remove the pump or the washer reservoir on your Ford Focus guys. One is to remove the front bumper and access everything from the front, which is not very complicated. If you want to see the video how to remove the bumper, we have it on the channel. Not very long video, not too complicated. The second option will be guys, to remove jack your side, passenger side up, front right. Remove the wheel. You need to remove the fender liner, the whole fender liner. If you want to see how to do that as well guys, we have the video on the channel. Just search for Ford Focus MK3 fender liner removal and you will see how to do that. And once you remove it, you can access your windshield washer reservoir and the pump right here. And this is the level sensor. This is the one that tells you if you have enough fluid or not. So not very complicated, right? You can see you can access it either through the bumper or through the fender liner. Two possibilities guys. And what do you guys need to do? Now, some of you may try to access it through the headlight because the headlight is easy to remove, but you won't be able to guys, not enough room. Let me show you now. Doesn't matter if you have a hatchback or a sedan, you will have only one washer pump. For the sedan you will have only a single hose. For the hatchback you will have two hoses, and those two hoses, one is for the front, one is for the rear. Now, how we guys remove the pump? Let's explain now. First, get a bucket because you may leak some windshield washer fluid out. But those clips on the hose, push both of them back, spread it. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm just trying to focus here, perfect, and pull it out. We'll disconnect the second one as well, guys. First, we'll show you how to remove the pump. Second, we'll show you how to replace the windshield reservoir. If you're replacing both at the same time, you just can remove the windshield washer reservoir. So now, you have one clip that you need to remove. Right there, you press in, you pull it out. Now that pump, guys, it comes out. You grab it and pry it a little bit. Careful not to break it on the bottom. It goes in a rubber seal, guys. Rubber seal, and we did leak some out. You can see where the rubber seal is right there guys. And this is the washer pump. So we'll drip a little bit. We still have a little bit left. Now if you want to replace the reservoir, the whole reservoir, you press in here guys. Press in here, disconnect this one. And now we have a couple bolts that we need to remove guys with a 10 millimeter 10 millimeter socket. So let me get that and we'll continue. So we're going to wipe our mess, 10 millimeter guys, and we have one bolt, that is a little bit hidden, you can see it's towards the back there. Go ahead and remove it. Perfect, and that bolt looks just like the one, over here. That's what we have guys, you can see. That's what they look like. So, this is the second one now. And let me show you now. On top it's going to separate from the bottleneck, so you don't need to worry about that. Now we need to push it back, slide it back and pull it out. And you can see guys, this is your windshield washer reservoir. Now you need to disconnect your hoses and everything came out guys. Not very complicated. So if you need to purchase a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Also, if you need any car part, check it out there. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.